So update y'all. I did talk to the guard that was downstairs, and I asked him if this was Queen Liliuokalani's place where she lived when she abdicated her throne. And it really is. So that's why I thought it looks so familiar, this place. It's now City Hall, Honolulu City Hall-ish, yeah. But yeah, this, because I remember seeing all of this in a AP US history book, and it talked about when Queen Liliuokalani abdicated her throne so that American rule began in Hawaii, or Hawaii. But this is the palace that she lived in. Her brother was the one that built it, and then she lived in it until her abdication, or whenever she was overthrown by the American puppet. Isn't that really cool? I'm so glad you learned this in AP US history. But yeah, I think I'll head back. One last look, because it is that same palace. I just really knew it looked familiar for some reason, because I saw it on a school textbook. And that's it behind me. Whatever that is. Alright, let's go get some food.